Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check if song is copyrighted on SoundCloud applications or websites. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download not download, just open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, it could be anything for you, not just like me. For me, I'm using here Brave if you noticed, but for you, it can be any other browser. This tutorial will work at any other browser. So of course it could be like Google Chrome, Opera, Brave, like me, I don't know, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then you'd like to go and type SoundCloud, then hit the first website or link or whatever you're calling it. So that will actually be your home or your main screen of the application or the website. And of course, first of all, you would like to go and log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you would like first of all to create an account, then log in into it. Then that will actually be your home screen. You may find here other songs. You may hear found out other songs, depends on what you listened to recently or what you gonna like. That's like SoundCloud choose that. I don't care about that. So I'm going to show you how to check if a sound is copyrighted on SoundCloud. So let's just go to a popular music. So let's just go here and search like what is a sound that is copyrighted for sure. So let me just search that in Google real quick. I just searched that in Google. So we have help you out. So let's just go here, help you, and see if we're gonna find it. Help you out. And I guess this is this song. So anyway, if we go, so here if we go and click at the sound right here, as you can see, that will actually be your, oh okay, that is actually copyright free. I don't know why it doesn't say it's here. So let me just tell you the trick if you want to know if a song is copyrighted or not. So of course, if you go to a song and let's say as an example, let's go to another song. Let's say as an example this song. So of course, as you can see here, make sure this is not copyrighted, because if there is a song copyrighted, you'll find a copyright symbol, or it's called the icon or symbol. You'll find it's right here on the song. So of course, whatever song has copyright, you'll find the copyright icon or uh, option or icon right here. It's gonna be on the right of the name of the song, and you'll know it's copyrighted. So that's all be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.